Okay, New York and Asia session done. Just do a quick one today. Yesterday, New York session, I took NAS. NAS had broken out. All the indices had broken out, and I was looking for continuations pretty much all day. I took a nice one on the Nikkei Asia session yesterday up top here. Took it all the way down. London session, I took NAS from up here. Took it all the way down again. Coming into New York session, I got another setup to go down. I thought it was too good to be true, but I still took it, and it turned out it was too good to be true. So I took a loss on this one. Previous H8 high fake out, higher than the London high, which is a nice confluence. I do here. So M15 breakout, I'm trying to get in below that. This faked out the H8 high, came back down, came below the H8 breakout level, this line right here. And I thought, okay, really? I'm going to get another trade on NAS. Attempted this one in New York. I'm a bit more aggressive with my stops. I tried to enter on the follow through of this 3-minute bar. The next bar did trigger me in, although now it looks, obviously it was coming back, but it did trigger me in. I always try to look for a follow through of the candle. Triggered me in, and almost immediately I was taken out on this one. And then after that, was waiting for another attempt at this. And this is, I was trying to go down again. So I was looking for, it came above the previous H8 high, meaning the H8 traders are not bullish. In order for me to counter this move, I'm waiting for an H4 high fake out. So the idea is I'm looking for a lower time frame to fake out, to reverse, because lower time frames reverse before the higher time frames. So if I'm bullish on the H8, which is this purple line, I'm looking for a lower time frame to reverse first. So I'm looking for an H4. There's an H4 high fake out over here, but the the range is too little for me. I need a bit more room than this in order for me to go break even, because the market's telling me that above this line is bullish, so I don't assume that this line will just break. I need to be at least break even by this point. So I did not take this entry. Market gave me another opportunity up here, still below previous day low. So I entered over here. I have the M15 over here. That's the M15 breakout level. Want to be entering before that. I look at the breakout levels on the time frame that I'm trading. So here's one, and then the next one came up, broke out again. So once this broke, once I get a breakout in the opposite direction, then I'm looking to take it down. But I'm waiting for price to get below the M15 since it's so close. So I entered on the break of that candle, stop loss at the high there. Waited for one pullback, didn't take me out, went to break even, and then at this time it was a bit late, so I was targeting low of the day. In hindsight, I probably should have targeted the H8 breakout level, which is right here. But yeah, I was targeting there, went to bed, came up, got taken out, break even. So those were my two trades. I didn't trade anything else in New York. I was looking for continuations on NAS. This is one of the issues when you're trading 3 sessions, because sometimes you'll come into a session with a set bias. I saw Asia drop, saw London drop, and I assumed that New York will drop as well. But if I were only trading one session, I definitely would have seen that this became a peak formation, and I would probably be looking for longs or looking for something else. So that was it. This is also the reason why I don't do any analysis before my session, because I don't like to create any sort of set bias for my session. I like to see how price is moving, but of course, there's some difficulties when you're trading all three sessions because these things will just naturally happen. But it's okay. Took one loss here, another break even. Had a good day yesterday with some good moves. Yep. So that was it. New York session, 2 trades. So today, Asia session, I did my watch list. A lot of the pairs had pushed down and then made a strong wick up. That's not a signal that I have, even though monthly, weekly, daily, all pushing down, previous month low, previous week low pushing down. I'm looking for a breakout day, and technically this is a breakout day, but because the wick pushed so high up, um, I don't consider this a best trade setup. And the only things that I put on my watch list are pairs that have everything that I need 100% correct. So only had two today because the market moved um, quite far yesterday. Aussie NZD. Um, this was a fake out day at the month low, week low, signal to go up. Coming into the session, it was just ranging. I wasn't interested. Didn't take this. There's news just now. Probably should have been looking at it, but my session's done already. Uh, yeah, so I guess this was just waiting for news. Probably the same with this one as well. Yeah, so I didn't take any forex pairs. Lots of JPY movement. I would expect some movement on JPY today, but I had no signals on these, and I only trade if there is a signal. So did not look at forex today. So I only looked at uh, gold and the Nikkei. So Nikkei 7 a.m. Tokyo market open right here. Today I was looking for monthly, weekly, daily, all down, everything pointing down, looking for sells today. So I'm looking for a high of the day sell with the previous H8 high fake out. 7 a.m. already faked out the previous H8 high, went up above it. When we're above H8 high and I'm bearish and I want to take sells, I don't want to counter this move unless I have a uh, lower time frame fake out. So if I'm trying to go against the H8 traders, I'm looking for an H4 high fake out to reverse this. So what that looks like, you have a breakout high of the H8, and I'm looking for an H4 previous H4 high fake out to take a breakout reversal. That's how I reverse any breakouts. So it happened at the previous day high. This is a H4, got faked out here. So got in, try to get in early. So yeah, these yellow bars are when the breakout level gets broken. So took this one. There was no follow through, so I got triggered in this candle over here. Stop loss high of the day, and was targeting targeting the low, looking to continue the move. Um, but of course, since H8 is bullish, I don't assume that this level will break. So I did take partials there because did have quite a bit, yeah, about two R partials, and was looking to continue the move, and my runners got taken out over here. Um, so once my runners got taken out, I took a look at the H1, and I saw that there was an inside bar. So same thing like yesterday, whenever there's an inside bar, I take the previous bar highs and lows, extend the range. So I was looking for a trade above this level. Um, the next H1 broke out. And again, if the H1 is broken out, I need to, in order to reverse this move, I'm looking for a lower time frame fake out. And so I was looking for an M15 fake out. So I got one here, but it was just 15 minutes too early. I was waiting for a 15-minute fake out of this one. And if it faked out, it would have been at the H4 high, would have been at the previous day high, the week direction, which is the previous week's closing price, and just close enough for me to see the, get a trade close to this range, H1 range. So I was waiting for price to get up around here. Didn't get there. It took off without me, so I wasn't able to re-enter. But it's okay. Just moving on. So that was one trade I took today on the Nikkei. Took this one. Did not get this one. And then the next one, didn't look at Forex. Looked at gold. Whenever I look at gold, I also have a look at silver. So gold did not have a signal day for me, um, but I was looking for it was a breakout day, so I was looking for a high of the day sell uh, around the day breakout level. So I had a look at silver as well. Silver compared to gold had the month, week, and day all going in one direction. Previous month low broke out below previous month low and previous week low. Gold has not. So I decided to take silver since there was both exactly the same setup. I rarely trade silver in Asia, but both of them were having the same setup, and I thought, okay, I'd rather take the one that has more confluences in my direction. So I ended up taking silver. Silver faked out previous H8 high. Uh, So right here, faked out the previous H8 high, faked out previous H4. Once price came back inside the H8 high, I entered stop loss high of the day. And so this one I'm targeting previous day low. Not sure if it'll get there, but yeah, I mean that's how I trade. The idea is that if I have a strong trend, I'm looking for a continuation, which would mean previous day low. So my TP is at previous day low. I'm at break even already, and it's going slow, but yeah, I'll just leave it, see what it does. It's risk free right now. So yeah, that was my trades. Yesterday took one trade on NAS, took a loss here, and I break even here. Um, then this morning I took the Nikkei 2R on this move here, missed out on that one, and then I took silver still in this one. That's it. Waiting for London now.